Welcome in 1-minute tutorials. Right now I want to show you how you can do the pop effect in the DaVinci Resolve 16. So all you have to do is just create your text here. You need to first create some kind of keyframe. So let's say that I'm going to put it here and I'm going to click animate. I'm going to zoom it in like this. Now I'll be able to click on the right corner this button here and let's go. So first I will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, create like 7 keyframes. Now put it on a 0. We can try that. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just moving it with a right arrow. And now let's make it like this. And let's see it. So this is how you create a pop-up effect. You can play around it if you're gonna copy paste it, and you will just, again, let's go back, undo. You can copy paste it, and paste it under it, and this is how you create it. So yep, thank you very much everybody, and goodbye.